Today, I'm sharing three simple and easy chicken marinades that are perfect for this holidays, okay? Because I know there'll be a lot of cooking. These are my go to recipes for my family, super flavorful and simple to make. So let's jump right in. To a bowl, I've got some clean chicken thigh. To that, I'm going to add in some Jamaican jerk seasoning powder. To that, I'll add in the Jamaican seasoning paste, a little bit of brown sugar, salt to taste, then sprinkle some sliced onion, and then add in melted butter. I like the buttery taste that it gives to the chicken, but if you don't want the butter, you can use any oil you have available, okay? It works perfectly. We'll give it a quick mix, then add in my homemade dry spice seasoning. Okay. So I tasted it and it's not that spicy. So I'll go in with my chili powder. You can totally omit it if you don't like spice. Okay. We'll go ahead to mix everything really well. And that's it, guys. It's super easy. You can go ahead and air fry it right away. But what I like to do is normally I just do it overnight or just put it in my freezer whenever I want to bake some chicken. I bring it out, defrost it, and then I'm good to go. So, my next recipe, I have my homemade dry seasoning spice. If you want the recipe, I can make it. So let me know in the comment section. I went ahead to add in some adobo seasoning, sazon, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, some melted butter, and my sliced onion. This gives the chicken so much flavor. I went ahead to mix everything together and then you can marinate it for an hour or two or even overnight. It's so delicious. If you try this recipe, you will never want to bake chicken any other way. So I'm saving this chicken in my freezer because I won't be needing it tonight. But if you want to bake it, you can just wait for 2 hours or 1 hour or 30 minutes and you're good to go. My last recipe is my suya inspired chicken. I went ahead to add in some homemade dry seasoning, suya seasoning, a bit of parsley, brown sugar, salt to taste, melted butter, and of course, my sliced onion. We'll go ahead to mix everything really well. Then that's it. You can do it overnight as well. So once you're ready to cook it, you can just bake it, grill it. This comes out so tender and packed with layered of flavor. It's perfect for these holidays. If you try it, let me know in the comments section below. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my new recipes. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye, guys.